Before starting the method itself, there are a couple of guidelines for following the course that I'd like to set out in this introduction. The course is designed to be started from the beginning. Many people, despite not actually being Spanish speakers, do have a certain knowledge of the language. For these people, the first lessons may seem easy, but don't be tempted to skip ahead. The crucial first lessons lay down the solid foundations for future progress with the language. The course is carefully designed so that the content of each lesson depends on mastery of the previous lessons, so it's crucial to follow the course patiently and step by step. The next rule is not to write. Please resist the temptation to write things down. This temptation comes due to fear of forgetting new information. Yet with El Método, the process of memorization is achieved through a carefully designed process of constant reaffirmation and repetition of new language, so that memorization is not something that you should concern yourself with. I do, however, suggest that each lesson should be taken perhaps 3 times each, or until you're responding accurately and rapidly and confidently. Aim to get 90% of the questions correct before moving on to the next lesson. As far as the course process or format is concerned, you'll be asked to think, speak, to check, and then to repeat. As you'll see, each question we put to you gives you 5 seconds to think out and speak your answer. We then give you the correct answer for you to compare with your own. There are then 2 pauses of 4 seconds each for you to repeat the phrase, concentrating on good pronunciation and speed of delivery. You'll also see the written phrase, but don't let that throw your pronunciation off. Keep imitating our voices. Learn with the ear rather than the eye is valuable advice. The double speech bubbles prompt you to repeat a phrase, whereas the solid ESP bubble indicates that you should think and produce a phrase in Spanish. Let me show you an example of this process in action. The word in Spanish for to know is saber. Saber. So how would you say, I want to know? Quiero saber. Quiero saber. So now, make yourself comfortable, relax and allow the method to do its work, and you can look forward to an exciting sense of constant progress with the Spanish language.